Magandang araw sa iyo. Kumusta? Ako si Teacher Jericho. If you always wanted to speak Tagalog confidently and naturally, I love to help you make that happen. I am a licensed Filipino teacher from the Philippines with almost 3 years of teaching experience. I have taught students with different learning style, so I understand that everyone learns at their own pace. Kaya kahit first time mo palang mag-aral ng Filipino o ng Tagalog, okay lang yan. In my classes, learning is fun, relaxed, and practical. Instead of memorizing long vocabulary lists, we'll focus on using Tagalog in real conversations that you can actually use in everyday life. Together, we will improve your speaking, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and confidence little by little. Whether you are learning because of your Filipino family, your partner, work, travel, or simply because you love the Philippines. So I will create lessons that match your goals. Kaya ang pinakamahalaga sa akin ay komportable kang matuto at makapagsalita ng Tagalog o Filipino. So if you are ready to start your Tagalog journey, book a lesson now with me today. Maraming salamat sa iyong pakikinig at kita tayo sa aking klase. Kita-kits!